Here's how to check if your streaming device supports Dolby Vision. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your television. After going to the settings of your television, the next thing that you are going to do is go ahead and select the videos and audio options under the settings. Once you click on the video and audio settings, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the format options. Merge content. Check HDMI connection, reset video settings, audio output, audio format, and reduce loud sounds. But since we are focusing on resolution as well as to the video, let's go ahead and click format. As you can see on the format, you can see their 4K Dolby Vision as well as 1080p Dolby Vision. This only means that your streaming device or your TV is supporting Dolby Vision.